Okay, I'm starting SQL Server now. Listen carefully. So what you have to do for this one means first again I will telling because I'm recording. That's why all of you have to go to the start. Okay, after going in the start, in the here you have to start write SQL Server. No talking. SQL Server Management Studio. This is a link you have to open. After when you open this link, okay, when you open this link, you will get like this server name. You will get it. Okay. If you are unable to open, tell me. Then go for Windows authentication. Yes, no talking. This side, no talking. I can see from here. Yes. So database server name is this one, and the authentication Windows authentication. Are you seeing? Yes, you only have to. Don't talk. I can see here. I'm taking class. Don't talk. Yes. So this is the I will get disturbed. Listen here. So here server name is this one. Server name whatever my server name is different from your server name. Your server name will be different. Here authentication keep it Windows authentication. Okay, and just say connect. Are you able to connect? Yes. Are you able to connect? Not talking, please. So then you click new query. You click. Okay, keep like this new query. Okay. Now, okay, all of you. Yeah, keep the bag there. Okay. Take your important things and keep the bag there. So now what you have to do, here whatever thing is there you have to write it here only. Okay, whatever is there you want to write, you have to write it here only. Okay, so let us you minimize this one little bit theory. You listen first. Okay, then I will explain what is to be done. Okay, data. Okay, then information, then database. Just I'm discuss for some time, then I will go with the code database. Okay, then dbms, then what, data information database, dbms. These and all things are important. Okay, see, data means what, we say raw facts, we call it as. Okay, anything which I can store in the computer, we can call it as an data. Okay, it can be an image or anything. Okay, that's what data. The data means what, raw facts. Okay, suppose different things will be there na, that data we call it. Information means what, processed data, we call it as information. Okay, processed data. Okay, data. Who is using the data, he will get some knowledge. Means what he will know. He knows what is about, he will come to know. Okay, so data means what, suppose simply I'm writing here, see, Ravi, I'm writing Ravi. Okay, 26 old. These are all what, data. This is data. Ravi is one data. This is a numeric data. This is string data. If I'm writing Ravi is 26 years old, this is processed data, we call it as. This is information, we call it as. Okay, that is called information, we call it as. Okay, so when you are using the data, it increases the knowledge of the person who is using the data, is called information, we call it as. Suppose simply if I write here, okay, observe here, simply if I write here, suppose simply I am writing here some numbers. Okay, some numbers I am writing here, 9500199862. Okay, some numbers I am writing here, 973911606. Some numbers I'm writing here. These are data, but I'm providing some context to this data. Okay, context means what? If I write it here, this is a mobile numbers. Okay, sorry. Suppose I'm writing here, this is mobile numbers. Mobile numbers. If I write it on the top, I'm giving heading. These are mobile numbers. Okay. Then this is information, I call it as. Okay. I'm providing some context to the data. Okay, bar graphs, pie charts. Okay, they are providing information to you. Okay, what is the average, what is these things. Bar graphs will be there na, these and all bar graphs will be there. This year how much sale has happened, next year how much sale has happened. Pie charts, what is the share of the stakeholders. So those and all are information, we call it as. Understand na, data information, you understand. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now next is what, database means what. Database many definitions are there in the internet. Okay, so I just choose this, an organized collection of organized collection of logically related data is called as database. Okay, an organized collection of logically, there are many definitions, or collection of tables. Collection of tables, little bit you listen theory, afterwards we'll do a lot of practicals. Collection of tables is called database. Okay, like that many, but I follow this database, this definition. I am underlining two things: organized, logically related. Organized means what? The data will be stored in the form of rows and columns. Okay, the data will be stored at the place where rows and columns are intersecting. That is called organized way, we call it as. Logic related data means what? Suppose I am developing a project on hospital management system. I will store logic related data to that domain. I will store. Okay, I will not store about railway reservation systems or employees. If I'm hospital means hospital only I will store. Doctor, nurse, treatment, medicine. Okay, on related to that only I will store the information. Okay, so an organized collection of logically related data is called an database. Okay, database, okay, this much is done. Na? Then what is DBMS? Okay, DBMS is what? DBMS means what? I will show you. DBMS means what? It's a software. Okay, it's a software using which I can insert, update, and delete inside the table. Okay, inside the table. Okay. Okay, it provides mechanism to insert, update, delete, insert. So all these things will be there in the notes. You can check it. One notes will be there. What is data? What is information? Database. Okay, DBMS. Okay, the task of managing data stored in the tables is called DBMS. Okay, put the bag and sit there. Structure. It provides a mechanism to edit, update, and delete the data. So that's what DBMS we call it as, right? So here, then can you tell me what is the difference between DBMS, RDBMS? Relational database management system. Okay, DBMS means what and RDBMS means what? Can anyone tell me? DBMS means what? Tell me. What? Means data is stored in rows or columns. That is database. Database is there. Okay. DBMS means what? A software where I can insert the values, update the values in the table. Okay, we can provide some mechanism. Now my question is, DBMS and RDBMS difference. What is the difference? DBMS means what? There will be only one table will be there. In that table only all the data I will keep it. Whatever data I want, I will keep it in that table only. There is no relation will be there. Okay. But RDBMS means what? My data will be scattered among different tables. Okay. If I want to get data from that table, I'll jump in that table and I'll fetch the data. Okay, that's what the RDBMS we call it as. Okay. See, suppose one software I'm releasing in the market. Okay, database software I'm releasing in the market. That is database software. Okay, that will become RDBMS only on two conditions. First thing is keep the bag there and sit. RDBMS means what? Relational database management. So what happens? See, the RDBMS means what? Two things it should satisfy. EF code is there. One scientist is there. He has given some rules. Okay. If 6 rules of that EF code is satisfied, means what? My database is relational database management system. Second thing is what? Data should not be stored in a single table. It has to be stored in a multiple tables. Okay. That's what the RDBMS we call it as. Okay. Every DBMS is RDBMS, but every RDBMS is not DBMS. Okay. DBMS is the software which you are using to insert, update, delete inside the table. Okay. For this purpose you are using it. Okay. So these and all things are there. Okay. Just check once. Some slides. Let me check. So these are all outside, which are inside the box are RDBM, or relational database management system. Which are inside this box are there, the relational database management, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MSSS. There means what? Data in this software will be stored not in a single table. Multiple tables the data will be stored. Okay. But these are all old. NoSQL, this network DBMS. Okay, these and all are old softwares, right? Okay, now here, so database server means what? I cannot see the server. Server is invisible. I cannot see the server. Inside the server, database will be there. Inside the server, this is a server. Inside the server, database will be there. Like this, database will be there. You want to talk with the database, you have to install one software. What software? SQL Server Management Studio. Just now you have opened a client. So using that client, you are talking to the database which is present in the server. Okay, server you cannot see, but inside the server, database will be there. While installing in this laptop only, server and client both are here only. But when you work in the company, what happens? Enterprise edition you will use it. Okay, when you use it, enterprise edition, there in one laptop only, server and the client will not be installed. Server will be somewhere, remote machine will be there. They'll give you the IP number there. You have to connect to the database. Whatever tables you will create will be saved in that database. It will be saved in the server. It will be saved. So here both are here only. Client and server both are here only, right? Okay. So that's so now what I told. So now this thing I told now see here. Here, let me check. Data will be scattered in this manner. This is RDBMS. Okay, data will be scattered in this manner. Okay, RDBMS. Okay. So now, first question I want to ask: do you know primary key? Primary key means what? Tell me. Anyone can tell me primary key? Hmm. Yeah, this is called primary key. We call it as, yeah, because unique and null value should not be allowed. Okay, that's what primary key we call it as. So here I'm recording, that's why I have to be here. So here what I'm saying, unique values should be there. An employee can have same name and he may get the same salary. How will I identify that this row is different from another row? By seeing the primary key. This much you understood? Okay, we'll go with the coding now. Okay, we'll go with the coding. Later on, we will go with the theoretical part, right? I have to keep the bag there. Huh? Take important things, what and all you want, and keep the bag there because they're asking me that you have to keep the bag there. Okay. So all of you open this one. Have you created? Open this one. Now first create one database. Create database. Create a database. What database shall I create? This so all of you can create some common database. Common database. What is this college name? Vidyavardhaka. VVC create it. VVC create it. Create Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering. Okay. Create database VVCE. Okay. Have you written like this? All of you write. Create database VVCE. After creating the database, select this database. Okay. Select this database. And here execute command is then run this execute command. Okay. Or you can press F5 also. Or you can press F5 also. Okay. Yeah. Keep the bag there. Okay. Have you created the database? How will you know that that database only have to go? You have to say use VVCE, right? Use VVCE. Don't worry about the red line. Select this one. Press F5. Press F5. So right now here, if here in the drop down VVCE will come when you write the command VVCE. Okay, in the drop down VVCE will come. Okay. Yeah. So if you have not written this command, use VVCE, you can from the drop down you can select VVCE. Okay, VVCE you have to select. Okay. Done this much, everyone? Open SQL server and write say query and write these two comments. Can I see here BBC here? BBC is wait for me. Okay. Here BBC is so here keep the back side. Keep the back there. Keep the back there. Only one comment is the most selected. And then the music in here now you start writing what are the anyone is having doubts? Wait for other. type here. Not only you type. Okay. Then anyone here up to this? Anyone stuck? Okay, I'm starting now. All of you be in track. What in the line typing? You type along. Start. Let us start now. First, let us create a table. Create table student. Okay, create table student. Stud ID. I don't want to give long name to the. I don't want to give long name to the column. Stud ID I'm giving. Int. Right here, primary key. Primary key means what? Unique value will be there. Okay, unique and not null value will be there. Okay, how same one student can have same name. Okay, same address, but he will having a unique ID. Right? Then stud name. Stud name. Right like this. Stud name. Varchar of varchar of 40. Okay. Then what? Mark Shalagur or city? Which city is stare? Varchar of like that. Create one table, all of you. So everything right now here should be VVC. Whatever table you create, you should not go in some other database. Whatever you create will go in this database VVCE. Where the database is there, click the plus icon. Here the database you can see VVCE. Okay. Click the database plus icon VVCE you can see. Okay. This much done now everyone. Now select this table. Select this table. Press F5. One table will be created. Okay, again and again don't press F5. One time only create the table, right? Okay, now I want to do normal insert. Normal insert I want to do. Normal insert means what? As per the order I will do insert. Okay, insert into student values. This is called normal insert. First 101 is coming. Then single quotation, not double quotation. Kiran is coming. Where is staying? Mysore is staying. Okay, like that I am writing. This is called normal insert. Normal insert means what? As per the column order I am inserting. Okay. Select this one. One time you select and press F5. Or you can execute, click the execute button or press F5. One table is inserted. Okay. One value is inserted. How will you know the value is inserted? Select star from student. F5 you press. F5 you press. So student is 101 Kiran Mysore. This is normal insert. Okay. Inserting as per, these are comments. Okay, these are comments. I am writing the comments. Okay, comments means what? If somebody is saying, you should understand. Inserting as per my order. Inserting as per my order. And as per my order. As per my order means what? Insert into student. First I will insert city. Next I will insert stud name. Next I will insert stud ID. Okay, like this I want to insert. That is inserting as per my order. So first city Bangalore I written. Single quotation, don't use double quotation. This is not C#. Sita. Stud ID say 102. Don't write 101 again. Okay. Repeated values are not allowed. Primary key. Again select this one. Press F5. Okay. And after done that again check the values. Press F5. See how many values are there? 2 values have come. Inserting as per my order. Partial insert. Partial insert means wantedly forgetting the value. wantedly forgetting the value. Insert into student what? Stud ID, stud name. Anybody is having doubts, please call me. See the blackboard, see the this one and write. Read the comment what I am doing, write the command as per the thing whatever. Insert into student. Stud ID 103, stud name Sudha. So I am wantedly forgetting what? City. Okay, I am wantedly forgetting city. That is called partial insert, we call it as. F5 you can press. Then again you can say select start from student. F5 you can press. So some null value I have got it here. All of you try. First create a table. Normal insert you do. Then inserting as per my order you do. Then afterwards what you have to do? Partial insert you do. Partial insert means wanted and forgetting values. All kinds of insert, update, delete, and so knowledge. But you have to insert in that value only. Huh? Doubt, huh? You have to see your sitting there. Then now what I'm doing, inserting as right? Check that marble insert. Put the comment marble insert. First one select. Select start. Okay. Remaining and all. Once cross check there, yeah, what you are doing? Check this. Wow. Okay, partial insert done na. Whenever you forget any column na, there null will come. Null means what? Unknown value. Okay, unknown value. One null is not equal to another null. Null is something. Null is not equal to null plus 2. Inside the null something is there. 25 is not equal to 26. Okay, like that. So next, inserting multiple values. So what and all I am writing, please write. Shh. Okay, right now inserting multiple values. Inserting multiple values at a time. Write down all of you like this. 101, 102, 103 over 104. Satish, say he is from Delhi. Put comma there. No need to write again insert. Again start for 105. See, at a time I am inserting multiple values. Okay, Suresh. Okay, then what? City name, anything, city. Hyderabad. See, multiple values again. At a time, two values I am inserting. See here, one line but two values. Press F5. Now finally do select star from table name so that you can understand how many values are there in the table. Okay. Are you done up to this normal insert? Huh? Inserting as per my order, partial insert, multiple insert. All types of insert we can do here in the table. Today, how many of them come? Wait. Okay, this is insert. All types of insert. Let's do update. See, if you want to update anything, you should know what is there in my data. Okay. First, analyze the data. What is there in the data that you analyze? After analyzing the data, you have to update the value. So, update you do it now. Okay. I'm moving up. So, I'm moving up. Now you write update single column. Update single column. Yeah. Single column. Okay. Write down the command update student set Name I will change. Stud name is equal to Madhu. Okay, somebody's name I am changing. Where stud ID is equal to 102. Who is 102? His name is what? Sita. From Sita I am changing her to Madhu. Select that command, press F5. If you want to see the result, select this, select that one. See whether it has been updated or not. Name has been updated or not. Okay. Updating multiple columns in a single row. Update student. Set stud name. Don't forget to close the quotations. Okay, single quotation. Update student set stud name is equal to Shanti. Somebody you write Shanti. Okay, and comma, another column I want to update is city also I want to update. City, where I am putting Shanti to some city I am putting it. Okay, say, say Coimbatore I am putting. Okay, where stud ID is equal to 103. 103 is what? 103 is Sudha. Okay, 103 is Sudha. No, don't select 103. Select 101. 101 is Kiran. Kiran name I changed to Shanti, and city, he is in city Mysore. I am changing him to what? Coimbatore. So just check those things have affected or not. Shanti has gone to Coimbatore. See your data, as per your data you just change the things. Updating multiple rows in a single column. Earlier multiple columns in a single row. I'm updating multiple rows in a single column. Is it possible? See, everyone I want to bring it to Mysore. Okay, all of them I want to shift to Mysore. Update student. Okay, update student. Set city. Everyone I want to bring it to Mysore only. Okay, Mysore I want to bring. Where stud ID in 101, 102, 103. These three people will go in 103 not needed. 104 you take it. So these three people I want to shift to Mysore. See, after writing update command, always try select star from table name, because you should know whether it is updated or not. So after typing every command, I am checking whether it is updated or not. Yeah, many people came to Mysore. Shanti, Madhu, and Satish are in Mysore only right now. In. Updating updating null values. Here 103 is not having city, is not having city. Don't write updating, write some other thing. Selecting the row which is having null value. Select star from student where city is. Don't write where city is equal to null. One null is not equal to null. Always write is null. Select the column, press F5. That's what you have to do. What? 3:30 only. Same. Why you want to stay? What happened? 3:30 only. Huh? Replacement round is there. Pre-assessment. Pre-assessment is there. At that time, don't. 3:30 you can leave. All of 3:30 will wind up. No, 3:30 you leave. By the time I finish, it will take that time. Okay. Updating everything clear. Anybody is having doubt in updating? After firing each command, check the table whether it is updated or not. Yes. Anyone this side? Done? Updating. Last row, updating. Okay, go for the delete now. Deleting single row in a table. Write down delete from student where select this one, press F5, then check the table whether it is updated, deleted or not. Okay, select star. Here only I am writing so that I can know. Select star from student is deleted or not. I want to know. Okay, it's deleted 102. Okay, next deleting one by one. All of you try this command. Deleting single row. Okay, deleting multiple rows. Yeah, sir. Hello. Good morning, sir. Attendance. So you want me to upload this one, 9th and 10th also. This 9th and 10th day attendance also you want to upload. Yeah, 25, 26, 25, 26 also you want, sir. Okay, okay, I will upload, sir. Okay, 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 sir. Now I will upload it. Actually, Praveen sir told not needed. That's why I didn't upload. Okay, okay, I will upload, sir. No, no problem. Yeah, now never. 1 minute. 1 minute just. Hello, sir. Sir, this Tariq sir is telling to upload the attendance of Friday, sir. No, 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 no. Sir told you why you didn't upload. You have to upload now. Only upload. So I'll upload. Tariq sir, ICT. Yeah, no, no, now okay, I will upload. Done. Thank you. Okay, sir, done, done. Yeah. No, no, you told not to upload, no, that's why. He's telling you have to upload. Okay, sir, done, done, done. Okay, done, sir, done, done. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, one command I'll write, you check one, then I'll put it deleting. Don't give where condition. Okay, all the rows, all the rows will be deleted. Okay, I'm putting here freeze. I'm freezing. I'm doing some work. Okay, try to do this one in the table. Write the command and check it. Run the command and see again. Select star from table name. I have some 5 minutes. Some work is there. Just a minute. Please do this one. Write this. Everyone trying, done na this one. One minute, I will just come back. Up to that time, you do it. 1 minute, I'm just done. I'm marking your attendance. And then attendance, I'm marking. 40. Okay. So everyone done now? Are you able to check this command? Let me check how many values are there in my table. Don't worry if any red line is coming here. Okay, that is not an error. Okay, you first run the command. So delete from the single table. 102 I already deleted. 101 or 105 I want to delete. I deleted. Then again I checked. Now at a time all the values I want to delete. Just say like this. It is deleted. Right? Okay. Up to this insert update delete everyone done. Hmm. Done. Up to this, everyone done. Delete. Did you check everyone? Yes, everyone done. So I'm moving to the new topic. Huh? Constraints. You can write down new topic constraints. Here, all of you. Constraints. All of you can check this one. Constraints. When I am creating the table, the rules or restrictions which I can apply on the table during the design time, we call it as constraint. Okay, syntax you write down constraint, constraint name in two types of constraints are there. Make a note. Null or not null constraint. Unique constraint, all of you make a note. Third type of constraint is what? Primary key constraint. Fourth, check constraint. Fifth, default constraint. Sixth, referential integrity constraint. Foreign key, FOR. So just make a note of this one. Okay. Okay. When I am creating table, listen. When I am creating table, I'll apply some restrictions on the table. Okay. Why I am applying restrictions? Because you are when developing the project, na, you'll go to the client. The client will tell that I want the project in this manner only. Okay. Uh, First, Indians will not have a middle name. I want first name, last name, middle name is not needed. So few things you can skip, few things are needed. He will tell. Okay. So based upon what requirement I take it from the client, I have to design the table in that manner because all the data is very important. On the data, project is developed. Data itself is corrupt means what I will do with the project? I can't do anything with the project. So data has to be safe, kept as per the integrity. Integrity concerns yourself. I have to maintain the integrity of nation. Means what we are following the rules now. Means what we have to follow some rules for nation. Just like that, for creating the tables also we have some constraints. Okay. In the constraints, two types of constraints are there: column level constraint, table level constraint. Column level constraint means what? Here column is there. Just by the side of the column you will go and you will apply that constraint. Okay, that is what column level constraint. Table level constraint means what? First you will define all the table columns. Later on you will define the constraint. Okay, constraint means what? Rules, restrictions will be there. Okay, so column level constraint, table level constraint. So here null, not null, unique, primary key, check, default, foreign key constraints. So all these constraints we will discuss now. One by one we will discuss. Not null constraint means what? You should not leave the column blank. Okay, you have to supply some value to the column. That's what not null constraint. Null means what? You can give the value blank. That's what not null constraint. Okay, don't leave the column blank. That is a not null constraint. That constraint can be applied only at the column level. Table level I cannot apply. Okay. Then unique constraint means what? You can forget the values, but don't give the duplicate values. You can forget the values, but don't give 101 again 101. Don't give unique values should be there. That is unique constraint. We'll write the code and again we'll come back to this one. Okay, all of you. Okay, now all of you, what you do? Come to your database here. Constraint code. You write down here constraint code. Constraint code. First create a table now. First create a table. Create table. So what and all I am telling, like that you can create one table. See how many have not given this format assessment 1 and 2. Just raise your hand. Today 10:45 you will enable the link. You give it. You can just enable the link. Did you given in the group? Okay, 11 o'clock we'll have break now anyhow. 10:45 give the exam. Just give the exam. No, he is not given. Okay. So constraint. Create table demo 1. All of you write along with me. Create table demo 1. Stud id int. Stud id int. Right here, all of you. Not null. Not null. F name. Varchar of 30. M name. Varchar of. All of you write along with me. 30. Last name. Varchar of 30. Okay, here you can give null. Here I can give null. Okay, here you can give middle name. Most of them will not have middle name. You can give null. If you don't give null, also it is understood. Okay, you will create table like this first, all of you. Okay, first, what is the comma? Don't forget to give comma. Create one table like this and say F5. So I should not forget. I cannot skip student ID. Okay. So insert into. All of you write student and a demo 1. Sorry, demo 1 values. I cannot give null here. Null Ravi. Here I can give null. No problem. Okay. Then L name also I can give null. Okay. But here I will get error. Shh, no talking. Yes. I am getting error here. Why? Can anyone tell why I am getting error here? Yes. Can you tell why I am getting error here? Null. Because I have told that not null. Don't leave the column blank. Okay. Don't leave the column blank. Okay. So error I am getting. So I have to provide the values here. Give some value here. 101. Okay. You can give some value here. Don't leave the column blank. Error. So what you have to do? Insert into demo 1. I want to insert only stud ID. remaining thing I want to forget. No problem here, there is no problem. I can insert the values. This will work perfectly. Okay. Okay, I'm writing the theory also here, but duplicate is okay. So again, can I enter insert? Again, can I insert insert? It will not give me any error. Insert into demo 1 values. So 101 again I can enter. Kiran again I can give. Satish again I can middle name. Kumar again I can give. Okay, again 101 I can give. There is no problem. Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. But null and not null, leaving the column blank is not allowed. Duplicates are allowed. So I'm putting the comments, understand that one and type the code. See, I can run this command 100 times. I can run this command 101, 101, 101. Okay, because duplicates are allowed, not null means. Okay. Following everyone constraint. Just beside the column I am going. See here, this is the column. Just beside the column I am going and I am applying the constraint. Okay. It cannot be next. Next command, next constraint I am putting it here. Just have to run the command and see. What you will do, select star from demo 1, that you can do it. And check it. Whether the values have gone or not. Duplicate values are allowed, null values are allowed. Where null values are allowed, where you have not kept not null, there null values are allowed. Next constraint. This is the first constraint over na. Next constraint, second constraint. What is the second constraint? Unique constraint. Means duplicates are not allowed, but nulls are allowed, but one time only. Same table copy, Control C, Control V, change the table name as demo 2, and do the things which I am telling you to do. Okay, so make this one as unique. Same table you copy, again paste it here, give it as demo 3, and here don't write unique, write table level constraint. Table level constraint means what? The table which is present at the means what? After defining the columns I will tell constraint name. Constraint name UK1. Constraint name. What type of constraint? Unique constraint. Which column you want to make the constraint? Stud ID I want to make the constraint as unique. So the syntax is like this. So table level constraint syntax is like this. Not null, everyone done, not null. So I am moving it here. Unique constraint you check. Unique constraint means what? Don't enter duplicate values. So try to insert values inside this one. Okay, this is okay. One time okay. Demo values. Press F5. Oh, what is this? This table I didn't create it only. First create the table. Create the second table also. After creating the table, insert the values. This is okay. Now again if I run this one, not okay. Why? Duplicate values are not allowed. Okay. But is it null is allowed? Now I will wantedly will enter null. Null will it allowed? Null it is allowing or not? That I want to check it. Null it is allowing. One time only it will allow null. Let me run this command. Up to here, select this one F5. Okay, again I want to run F5. Again I selected this one. Again I want to run F5. It is not allowing me to run error. So only one time null is allowed. Okay. Duplicate values one time only 101 allowed. As unique na. Okay, this is also constraint, table level constraint. Constraint name, type of constraint, which column you want to make it unique, student ID. Table level. That's what, not defining the constraint. So table level constraint means what? Not defining here. Separately I am defining it. That is what table level constraint. Okay. Constraint syntax you see, constraint name. Give some name to the constraint. from which table the error is coming, I should know, na. That is why I have to give constraint name. Type of constraint is what? Unique constraint. Which column you want to make it unique? That you have to specify there. Same coding is applicable to this one. Same coding is applicable here to this one also. Control C, Control V, demo 3, it will work. Same thing, okay? Okay. Check what I have written there once, all of you. Yes, everyone doing this one. Okay, everyone tried this one. You are getting my point, what I am saying. Constraint name. Type of constraint. Getting my point? Nothing, just a constraint, but the table has applied. It's not compulsory that, see, all of you listen, it is not compulsory that what? In a constraint, only single column should come. Multiple columns can also come. Okay? So let us write a constraint where multiple columns can also come. All of you, what you do, copy this one, demo 3, control C, copy all of you, control V, write demo 4. Now what I want to do, constraint name, 1, 2, 3, constraint say 145, any name you give it. How many columns you want to make unique? Student ID and F name. This should be unique. I don't want repeated values. Means what? When you are giving these two columns, they should be unique. They should not be same. 101 Kiran you cannot give. Yes. So create a table like this, demo 4, and enter the values. Function F5. No, sorry. F5 you just press F. Where I selected, select this table, press F5. So one table you create it like this, and try to insert values. How I am inserting, like you see now how I am inserting in the table 2. Insert into demo 4. All of you no talking. I can hear sound. Who is talking? Yes. Insert into demo 4 values. So 101 I'll write. Then I'll say Kiran. Okay. Say Mahesh. Okay. Then I'll say Suresh. Okay. Then once you insert the values inside this one, I understand this value will go inside the value. Second time also try to insert. Suppose 102, I change 102. Second time I'm inserting 102. Okay, let it be here like this. Again I'm pasting the same code, but I'm changing this one 102. This also will not give me a correct result. Will it give me 102 Kiran? Can I insert these values? Let me check. It's okay because this is a unique combination. Na 102 and Kiran is same. So again 101 Kiran I cannot give. Shall I change it here? Unique. Shall I change it here? Just check this one. Again copy this code. Again paste it here. Demo 5 you write. Unique constant 147 you write. Here I want what I want unique. F name and last name should be unique. Two columns should be unique. Press do F5 and I am writing the code now here. Insert into demo 5. "101" I told. Same code you copy. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know the call is speaking practice. Yeah, yeah. But they have told me to put that balance in the dashboard. Those I didn't told Praveen told me not to inform, that's why not informed. It's in the yeah, yeah. He told that not to upload attendance. So just afterwards again Tariq told to upload, I uploaded. No, upload attendance. All attendance. Yeah, yeah. I didn't told anything to Tariq. Praveen sir I told. Praveen might have told to Tariq, I think so. And the class is going on and exam. Okay, write this code. Okay, write this code demo 5 101. Now which are unique? First name and last name. See, first name and last name should be unique. See here. You can write Kiran Mahesh. Again, don't write Kiran Mahesh. Kiran Suresh, you can write it. Uniqueness I want between first name and last name. A combination of two should be unique. Like that I want. Okay, but don't repeat that one. Okay, you can put null there. Here repeated values can come, na 101 can come 2 or 3 times. Yeah. Huh? What time? 10:45 he told. Is it enabled? Then leave it. You do your work. You can take the class. You listen to class. Side by keep the tab. Huh? If it's enabled, give it. He didn't told anything. Na I told him. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. 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 Uh, that is see. It is full of confusion. See, first what happened? Praveen told don't upload that. Yeah. That, that is already covered. It is already covered. No problem. No, already covered, but 2 days before only I covered the portion. Now I have uploaded because Tariq told. He told me first. He told don't tell to Tariq. He told to me that. Then I didn't told. Then Tariq told upload. Yeah. Yeah.